Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into some essential business and shopping vocabulary that you'll use all the time, whether you're buying a new phone, returning a shirt, or even taking an English exam. We're looking at 6 important words: warranty, guarantee, refund, rebate, exchange, credit. These words might seem simple, but people often confuse them or use them incorrectly. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what each one means and when to use them. Let's get started. Warranty. Let's begin with warranty. A warranty is a written promise from a company. It usually comes with products, things you buy like electronics, cars, or appliances. Key points about a warranty. It's in writing. You get a paper or digital document. It has a time limit, like a 1-year warranty. It covers repairs or replacements. If your product breaks, the company fixes it or gives you a new one. That's your warranty in action. Important note, warranties usually have a specific time frame: 1 year, 2 years, or sometimes even 5 years. You can often extend a warranty by paying extra. Ever heard someone say, "Would you like to purchase an extended warranty?" That's exactly what they mean. Common warranty items: cars, bumper-to-bumper warranty; laptops and smartphones; home appliances, refrigerators, washing machines, power tools. Guarantee. Now let's talk about guarantee. A guarantee is also a promise, but it's broader than a warranty. While a warranty is only about products, a guarantee can be about products, services like a cleaning service or a haircut, satisfaction, price. Important, don't forget the U. Spelling tip: Guarantee. That U after the G is easy to miss, but on exams like IELTS, forgetting it can cost you points. 2 common types of guarantees. 1. Satisfaction guarantee. You've probably heard the phrase satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. This means the company promises you'll be happy with their product or service. If you're not, they'll refund your money. Example, you order a meal at a restaurant and it's not cooked properly. You tell the manager. They apologize and give you a new meal or refund your money. That's satisfaction guaranteed. Price guarantee. Some stores say lowest price guaranteed. This means if you find the same item cheaper at another store, they'll refund the difference. Example, you buy a laptop for $1,000 at store A. The next week, you see the same laptop on sale at store B for $900. Store A will give you back $100. Some stores even add extra. They might give you $110 back as a bonus for trusting them. Warranty versus guarantee. Quick comparison. Warranty, only for products. Guarantee, for products, services, satisfaction, and price. Always in writing, can be written or verbal. Has a specific time limit, may have no time limit. Covers repairs or replacements. Covers satisfaction, refunds, or price matching. Gimmick, a bonus word. Before we move on, let's quickly learn a useful word. Gimmick. A gimmick is a trick or a special tactic that companies use to make you feel special or to encourage you to buy something. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Example, a store says, "We'll give you 110% of the price difference back." That sounds amazing, right? But they know most people won't actually bring in the advertisement to claim it. That's a gimmick. Be aware of gimmicks. They're not always bad, but they're designed to get your attention. Refund. Now let's talk about refund. A refund simply means getting your money back. Key points: you return the product, you give the item back to the store, you get your money back. The store returns the full amount you paid. It can also apply to services. If you paid for a bad service, you might get a refund. Example, you buy a shirt for $50. You get home, try it on, and realize it doesn't fit. You take it back to the store, and they give you your $50 back. That's a refund. Example, service, you hire someone to clean your house. They do a terrible job. There are still stains and dust everywhere. You complain, and the company gives you your money back. That's a refund. Important, not all stores offer refunds. Some only offer exchanges or store credit, which we'll talk about in a moment. Rebate. Next is rebate. A rebate is like a refund, but with a few differences. Key points: you don't return the product, you keep what you bought. It's like a discount. You get some money back after purchase. You usually have to mail in paperwork. That's the tricky part. Example, you buy a new car for $25,000. The manufacturer, like Honda or Toyota, offers a $1,000 rebate. This means you'll get $1,000 back. Sometimes the dealer takes it off the price directly. Other times you have to mail in a form and the company sends you a check. Why don't people trust rebates? Because many people forget to mail in the form. Companies know this, so they offer rebates knowing that many customers will never claim them. It's a bit of a gimmick, as we discussed earlier. Rebate versus refund. Quick comparison. Refund, you return the product. Rebate, you keep the product. Get money back immediately, usually. Get money back later, often by mail. Store gives it to you. Manufacturer gives it to you.
Now let's look at exchange. An exchange means trading one item for another. Key points about an exchange: you return the original item, you pick something else, either the same item in a different size or color, or a completely different item. You may pay the difference. If the new item costs more, you pay the extra. If it costs less, the store usually gives you credit. Example, you buy a shirt for $50, but it's too small. You take it back, and the store says, "Sorry, we don't give refunds, but you can exchange it." So you pick the same shirt in a larger size. No extra cost. That's an exchange. Another example, you buy a shirt for $50, but you don't like it. You go back and pick a jacket that costs $70. You pay the extra $20. That's also an exchange. Some stores have a no refunds, exchanges only policy. Always check the store's return policy before you buy. Credit. Finally, let's talk about credit. Store credit means you get money back, but you must spend it at that same store. Key points about credit. It's not cash. You can't use it anywhere else. It's like store money. You can only use it at that specific store or chain. It's a common alternative to refunds. Example, you buy a shirt for $100, you decide you don't want it anymore. The store says, "We don't give refunds, we'll give you $100 in store credit." So now you have $100 to spend at that store, but you can't get cash back. Credit versus refund. Quick comparison. Refund, you get real money back. Credit, you get store money. You can spend it anywhere. You can only spend it at that store. No restrictions, usually has a time limit to use it. Important, store credit often has an expiration date. If you don't use it within a certain time, like 6 months or a year, you might lose it. Always read the fine print. Real-life conversation scenario. Let's see how all these words work together in a real shopping situation. Scene. You buy a laptop from an electronics store. Step 1. Purchase. You buy a laptop for $1,200, it comes with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. The store also advertises a $100 mail-in rebate. Step 2, after purchase. You come home and realize the laptop is too slow for your needs. You decide to return it. Option A, refund. The store gives you a full refund of $1,200. You return the laptop and get your money back. Option B, exchange. The store offers an exchange. You pick a more expensive laptop for $1,400 and pay the $200 difference. Option C, store credit. The store gives you $1,200 in store credit. You can only spend it at that store. You decide to buy a different laptop and some accessories. Step 3, rebate. You mailed in the rebate form. 2 months later, you receive a $100 check from the manufacturer. That's your rebate. Step 4, price guarantee. You see the same laptop on sale for $1,100 at another store. You show the advertisement to the original store.
They honor their price guarantee and refund you $100, or even $110 with the Gimmick bonus. Quick summary table. Word, meaning, key feature. Warranty, written promise to repair or replace a product, only for products, time limited. Guarantee, promise of satisfaction, service, or price, broader than warranty, can be verbal. Refund, getting your money back, you return the product or service. Rebate, discount after purchase, mail-in often required. Exchange, trade for another item, may pay extra. Credit, store money, use at the same store. Pro tips for English learners. Spelling alert. Guarantee is G-U-A-R-A-N-T-E-E. Don't forget the U. Warranty is W-A-R-R-A-N-T-Y. 2 R's. Check the store policy before you buy something. Look for signs that say no refunds, exchanges only, store credit only, 30-day money-back guarantee. Read the fine print on rebates. They often have deadlines and specific requirements. Ask questions. What's your return policy? Do you offer refunds or exchanges? Does this come with a warranty? Is there a satisfaction guarantee? Practice challenge. Try answering these questions. You buy a phone and it stops working after 3 months. The store says they'll fix it for free. Are they honoring a warranty or a guarantee? You return a dress you don't like. The store gives you store credit. Can you use this credit at any store? You buy a car and get $500 back from the manufacturer after mailing a form. Is this a refund or a rebate? Answers at the end of this lesson. Conclusion. Let's do a quick recap. Warranty, written promise for product repairs, time limited. Guarantee, broader promise, satisfaction, service, or price. Refund, your money back, you return the product. Rebate, discount after purchase, mail-in often required. Exchange, trade for another item, may pay extra. Credit, store money, use at the same store. These words are part of everyday life, whether you're shopping online, buying a car, or just returning a gift. Understanding them will save you time, money, and confusion. Answers to the practice challenge. Warranty, because it's a product that broke and they're fixing it within the warranty period. No, store credit can only be used at the store that gave it to you. Rebate, because you kept the car, mailed a form, and got money from the manufacturer. Thanks so much for watching. Keep practicing these words and you'll become more confident in your English. See you in the next lesson.